and lovely family. This is Lovely Family with Isabel. But now we're watching Lovely Family with Isabel. Wait, can I tickle you? Tickle, tickle. I think that was funny. And also, tell me if you like my watch. Just press this button and go on. The tone. That's not the real time. Oh, wait, I can't see my face. Okay, why do my teeth look like that? So, as you know, behind me, there's this house where it's like, try to fix, but I know you do that we can do. Okay. So, let's start the YouTube channel, but before, subscribe and like here. And Lulu wants to say something. Hey guys, you'll have to subscribe and like. Yep, we already said that. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's do it. Kids, this is a mess. You know this is very hard to clean. You said you would clean this in just 1 second. This is not 1 second. I am going to the shops. Okay? And you better clean this up before I get mad at you. Okay? Okay? Good. So bye-bye. I'm walking for a sec. And guys, also, we have a new girl here, and she's only a baby. Good girl. Don't. Hey, give me back my baby. She's just the cutest thing ever. She will never grow up. She will never grow up. She will never grow. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Hurry! So guys, kids, where are you? Kids. I'm getting really angry. Okay, where are you going, baby? Shopping. Oh, you can't go shopping. But guys, this YouTube channel is for cleaning. And if your parents has cleaning, you have to clean. Oh, that was a great song again. Ooh, I like that. Oh my God, kids, why are you hiding there? I don't want you. Tidy. Oh my God, where was it? Rosie. Oh my. Tidy up. Yeah, that's correct. And I'm going shopping, and also, don't worry about that, guys. That's an accident. So, and also you have to take care of the baby. But am I a baby? No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not a baby anymore, maybe. But I only 3 years old. I know, but yeah. Baba! Oh, baby, get out of the car. Okay. Baba! Oh my God! Ouch! Never dive like that. So we have to clean this up and take care of the baby. Where should we put the baby first? How about 10 roses and purple? She wants her crib, but we didn't get her a crib. How about in the dog place? Yeah. Kids, don't put your babies in and the dog thing. That's crazy. Okay. Or should we just put her on the couch? Yeah. First, let's put the couch over here. And yeah. She's cute. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh, my candy. She forgot her keys. Wait, I want to catch up with her. No, Mimi, I should do it. No, guys, I'm the tallest one here. Yep, you should do it. Now go give her the car keys. And the door. Because car keys and door keys safe. Mom, wait. Oh my God, thank you. You came as fast as a pig. Pig? I am not a pig. Last time. this up? Sure. How? How? Let me see how much weight I have. I want to stick myself. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's going to be broken. Okay. Okay. First, let's put the treats in. First, we have candy. Chelsea gave this for my birth. For honor. You guys, I'm sorry about that. There. So, Chelsea gave this for our birthdays. The twins' birthdays are the same, right? Yeah. Oh my God! Ouch! You hurt me. So first, this is the candy packet. Candy. It has Chelsea as well. So, where should we put it? On the Chelsea side. That's a great idea. Okay. Oh, carrots. Where do carrots go? How about next to the candy? In the middle of the candies. Yep. We have 2 more candies. Let's put them here. And 1 here. Can I have 1 candy, Isabel? Yeah, just 1. Me too. You only get a bit of candy. I'll help the baby. No. She can't eat candy. Remember? Oh, yeah. Guys, I'll cook her their veggies, okay? You can. She eats it. Okay, so, yummy. But the bag goes here, and this goes. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, anyway, how did you lift that up? Exercises and vegetables. Oh no, this was my old toy. Let's put it here. It's cute. We finished this. So guys, and I think the car will park here. So let's tidy up this place. It's a big mess. I'll take these balls off. 1 ball. I need 1 ball and 2 ball. What is it? Oh no. No. Guys, she just went to me. She's a bit sick. So yeah, don't mind that. She has been sick for a few while. Yep. Let's put it here. Oh, thanks, Isabel. Let's just remove this shelf, not shelf, the roof. Right. Well, this is not enough. We need a bigger one. Fits perfect. It fits perfectly. Wow, so cool. We have laundry. We have laundry. Oh no, I can't sleep on the job. We'll put it here. Oh, purple light here. I like it. Oh my gosh. But it's different. See, guys? Let's put it right here. So let's put the seats right here so they can sit and say, hi. Oh, what did you get? Like that. So, get the another one. Oh no, it needs to be bigger for the study room. Okay, study room. Can you do it? Sure. Dun. How did you say that? Dun, dun, dun. Like that. Yeah, because it was so messy. Oh. This is going to take forever and ever and 100 seconds and 1 million years. Let me check if it's okay. Yep. Oh no, I almost waked up the babies, guys. Babies? I mean, the baby. What should I do? Milk! Here's milk. And guys, also, I found this rock. It's so cool. It's caramel. So, let's put it back in the bathroom. The plant. So, what else we have? This. Where can we put this? Oh. Where can we put this one? We don't need this. So, where do we need this? We don't need this either. We don't need this either. Okay, so we need to clean up this room and then we're done. So, I'll see you while sleeping in the middle of the streets. Get up. Isabel, help. Teamwork. I can lift it. Oh my God, Mimi. How can you lift it? You're only 3 years old. And how? Yep. The battery's broken. The battery. Oh, that's hard work. Cook. There. All the stuff from the battery. Go back down. This is funny. Thanks. We'll put it here. It's stylish. Put the closet. So we put the closet over here. Let's put it over here behind the bed a bit. That's stylish. I like that. Yep. So I'm gonna put this here. Here someone wants to rest. There. And that over here. What else? Red plant. Wait, close your eyes. I'm going to show the bedroom. Okay, we're going to get our eyes together because we're twins. Whoa, Mimi, this is amazing. I want to keep it like this. Okay, and then lastly, we have to clean the kitchen and then clean this. Wait, why is the egg out here? Let's just leave it for last. Egg. But we have to put it in the fridge. So guys, I'll see you when I clean that room again. We finished. Okay, guys, it's your chance to tidy up that room. Come on. Fine. Rosie, can you do it? Oh no, you're sick. Yeah, I'm sick. Okay, I guess I have to do this by myself. I wonder what am I doing? Oh my God, there's water. Okay, let's throw this away. Mom, Let's put the lamp. Okay, I think Mommy's coming. Oh, yeah. Thank you, camera girl. I'll put it right here. This is a grip. There. Now we're going to be chilling here, okay? Okay. Ouch! I'm going to show you all around. Give me that camera, girl. This is the bedroom. This is the bathroom. This is the study room. 1+1. This is the laundry room. This is the living room. Oh, I can't disturb the baby. And this is the kitchen. So, yeah, here you go. I think Mommy's coming this way. Probably. Mommy's coming. Oh my God, kids! Come and see this. Let's see that heart. Oh my God, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Kids, you get to rest. Our cookies, making some ice pops. I mean, so did you take care of the baby? Yeah, mostly Isabel. Okay, so the baby's go. Good. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. The baby wants to say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.